Okay, let's just jump right in. We're about to break down a strategy that could completely change how you handle your schoolwork. And look, this is not about cheating, not at all. It's about working way smarter and a whole lot faster with some amazing AI tools that are totally free, so you can actually get your time back for things that matter.
Does this sound familiar? I bet it does. That horrible feeling, staring at a blinking cursor on a blank page, just knowing you have hours and hours of research ahead? The source material nails it. It is time to stop this. There's a much, much better way to get things done.
So what's the payoff here? We're not talking about saving a few minutes. The whole point of this method is to slash your study and prep time. The source suggests you could cut it by as much as 80%. I mean, just stop and think about that. What would you do with all that extra time?
To really get why this new approach is such a game changer, we kind of have to look back at the old way. You know, the way most of us were probably taught.
Yeah, the hard way. We've all been there, right? We're basically programmed from day one to believe that putting in long, grueling hours is the only way to get good results. But does spending more time on something actually make it better? Or does it just lead to total burnout?
Because here's the thing. In the world we live in now, which is changing so fast, sticking to those old methods doesn't just make you slow, it can actually put you at a huge disadvantage.
This point from the source is pretty blunt, but it's so important. The tools we have now are just on another level. And choosing not to use them isn't some kind of moral victory. It just means you're trying to build a house with a hammer while everyone else has power tools.
And this really shows you the true cost, doesn't it? It's not just about the hours you're grinding away. It's about what you're giving up. It's the time you could have been putting into a side hustle, or hanging out with friends, or maybe even just diving deeper into subjects you're actually passionate about.
All right, so what is the solution? This is where we get into the really practical stuff. Let's meet the two key players in this whole strategy. They're powerful, they're about to become your new study buddies, and best of all, they're free. Think of it like a team. Perplexity.ai is your personal research assistant. You send it out to do the heavy lifting, finding sources, pulling out key ideas, all that stuff. Then, you take all that raw material over to Claude.ai, and Claude acts like your personal tutor, helping you organize your thoughts and structure your argument. It's a perfect one-two punch.
Now, having the tools is one thing, but knowing how to use them is everything. So pay close attention, because this next part is maybe the most crucial piece of the entire strategy. It's a simple rule that completely changes the game. And that rule is something we'll call the tutor rule. It's so simple. You are not asking the AI to write your paper for you. That's cheating. And frankly, you don't learn anything that way. Instead, you're asking it to be your tutor. Ask it to guide you, to help you brainstorm, to help you organize your own thoughts. Exactly what a great human tutor would do. And here's what that looks like in the real world. The wrong way is a command. Write this for me. It's a dead end. But the smart way? It's an invitation to collaborate. Can you help me outline this topic? See the difference? It keeps you in the driver's seat, using the AI as an incredibly powerful partner. So let's put it all together in a simple three-step process. First, research. You use Perplexity to go gather all your raw materials. Second, outline. You take that material to Claude, you use the tutor rule, and you work together to build a rock-solid framework. And finally, step three, create. This part is all you. You take that amazing outline and you produce your own original work.
Okay, let's be super clear about the ethics of this, because it is absolutely fundamental to using this strategy the right way.
These AIs are brilliant, but they don't have your unique perspective. They don't have your critical thinking skills. They are amazing assistants. They can find information and suggest structures. But it's you, your brain, that's guiding the process, making the important connections, and adding the real insight.
When you master this kind of workflow, using AI as your tutor and your assistant, the result is just incredible. You're not just a little bit faster. The whole point is to become exponentially more effective, maybe even 10 times more productive. You free up your mind from all that tedious work so you can focus on what actually matters, the high-level thinking and creativity.
And that leaves us with one last really big question to think about. As the tools we use get smarter and smarter every single day, the challenge for us isn't just letting them do the thinking. The real question is, how can we use them to become smarter, more creative, and more effective thinkers ourselves?